happy flipping Thursday. From a Western PA here on I-80 eastbound. You already know we're about 3.5 miles from exit 29, borough of Barkeyville. Head to the OTA, the Country Pride. Spaghetti, I believe, is the new special. I think that's what it said. I don't know when they change it. I know it was look at this a-hole. It was like food from around the world or something. I don't know why I would switch to spaghetti. I don't know, man. I know they changed the roadside pointer sign thing. So I don't know. They're pretty good about staying up to with changing out their signage and crap up here. So let's see what. Look at the pretty trees, dude. It's flipping awesome. After a couple cloudy and juicy days, we got a little warmer. Well, it was cold as flip this morning. Like 30 or 29 degrees. A bit cold for this time of year, honestly. Frosty. Frost on the windows, on the car, frost on the grass. Pretty frosty, buddy. But wall-to-wall sunshine so far. And like I said, should be like 62 when we get back to Columbus. So we already had to peel the sweat jacket off. I did not make it until my goal was to make it to like Christmas wearing shorts. Dude, yesterday I came outside, I was like it was fine. I just didn't want to wear, I don't know, I was being weird about what to wear. I didn't want to wear a winter coat yet, so wearing pants helped me to not do that. If I would have worn shorts, I would have had to put on a winter coat. I just get cold easy, man. I just get cold. We don't have the long underwear out yet. We'll bust that out until it gets down in the 20s on the regular. Not too far away though. That's December. That's December weather right there, buddy. Whoa, oh boy, about ran off the road. What are you doing, stupid? Keep it between the flipping lines, a-hole. That was awesome. I had a few turkeys out here today, but for the most part, they okay. Did not even bother checking that phone system because it's Thursday. Oh, stupid idiot. Slow down, you bearded weirdo. You can't keep it between the lines. On the right. Jeez. Anywho, we're gonna find out right soon where we're headed. They ain't gonna be here till about, 12:45. So soon baby Michael's here. I'll have about 23 minutes, 22 minutes by the time I park. 20 minutes maybe, who knows? 25 minutes, good God, Michael, can you? So I got 28 minutes as of right now. Probably have about 25 or 26 by the time I park.
At the end of the street, turn right.
Gotta go drop the trailer off and fuel up. Got a few bug splats, dude. Kind of odd for it being as
turn right at the stop sign.
Cold as it is, but whatever. All right. Got somebody parked in the fuel lot or in the refueling area. I tell you what, man. Truck drivers, man. If there's a place you could have
in 1/4 mile, arrive at 56
an airfield
Highway 8 on the right.
Size parking lot, dude, with no one in it, with absolutely no one in it, right? And put some said no parking anytime, and then some dummy's just gonna flip and park right up in it, dude, like this guy. I mean, I don't think anybody tells them. I don't know. Usually there's somebody like right here. No parking. I think sometimes it's leftovers from nighttime. I just think it's funny. Like, I don't know how this guy did this. Pulled straight in right there. I guess he just came straight out of the, I don't know how you would get out of there if there were trucks. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how you do it. I couldn't do it, I don't think. All right, what we got going on here? Yuck. Got a little bit of congestion. Let's see here. So baby Michael's gonna go right here, buddy. Get it right on up in there, buddy. Right? You know it, dude. You know what's up, dude. There you go. There you go. Look at this, dude. All right. Snuggle right on up in there, didn't we? We did too. Smoking himself a cigarette, big old nasty, gross thing. All right, let's see what kind of BS we got today, dude. Right? I'm assuming it's a West Columbus County day. But you never know, man. We could get lucky and it not be. Although Thursday is generally the day. Dude. They're bringing me 2 empties. Alright. Well, okay. That's kind of odd. Why are they doing that? 810. I'm gonna have to put that stuff in there. 815072. I might have to add the well, we'll add that here in a minute, I guess. Why are they bringing me? I bet they had to take something somewhere, dude. What do you want to bet? I don't know. Actually, I have no idea why they would be bringing me 2 empties. They do it on occasion. It's like, why wouldn't they just bring me a 1 empty? You know what I'm saying? I have no idea. I do not know. All right. Ugh. I hate truck stops. There we go. Lord. All right. All right. Very truckery here today. So baby Michael hates it. I hate it so much, dude. You have no idea how much I hate it. It is so bothersome, dude. So bothersome to me. I hate it. I hate it so much. There's old Curtsy. Yep, there's Smiley Smirton. And go destroy the environment. Very good. Hey man, shut your mouth with your viewpoints, Michael. Them turds are gonna park right there, I bet you. Sorry, I can get out with the doubles easier. I gotta go to the bathroom, dude. Woo! Look at that. Wrestling mats, athletic mats, gymnastics, cheerleading, and wall padding. What we got here? Which one do you want to do? Which one do you want to do? So baby Michael, which one do you want? Woo! I say let's go over next to the blue truck. I gotta get there before else Silly gets up in here. But you know that this other turd's coming. You know he is. This guy here's keeping me from being able to this irritates me so bad. I get so affected by where people park, dude. He's having himself a delicious carbonated beverage, bro. He's like, Take my break like a big dummy right here, buddy. Woo! Right? You know what's up. How many other breakers we got here? Probably a couple. Alright, here's that. What we got here? What we got here? A little fuel up. We'll put a little fuel in. What we got? 383916. Right? First things first. Swipe the card. We'll say skip. Tractor. Skip. Put that number in. Yep. What we say? 383916, bro. That's right. Nope. Nope. 383916. I'll pop the lid off. We're gonna get down to business. There you go. Come on. Get that juice going, buddy. There we go. There we go. All right. Clean them off. Let's clean them off. I need to pop that mirror back too, dude. Oh, on the far side. Gotta remember to do that. Because it's bent down too far and I can't flip it to see. You know what I mean? That ain't no good. Ain't no good at all. Get it. There we go. I wonder if there's a bucket on the other side. I did not notice. Take a look. Oh, yeah, that'll work. That will work. Nice cigarette butt in there. That's what I'm saying, dude. Truckers are the absolute worst people. Like, why are you throwing your cigarette in the flipping... You know what I mean? Golly, man. Like, it's the absolute worst. Ugh. It really affected me today, dude. Probably gonna go in there to the bathroom. I'd probably be flipping turds everywhere and urine everywhere. Or somebody gonna be half nude at the sink. You know what I mean? Woo, buddy. Feeling it today. Alright. There we go. There we go. That's better. Gotta help ourselves out, right? There we go. Stuff's moving much. Alright. Whoops. Let's don't kill ourselves. Alright. Alright. Oops, almost got dribbled on. Here's what's getting ready to happen, dude. What's that, super level? I'm gonna I think I'm gonna Bob Taylor around, bro. Let's do that. Then we'll go inside. Either way, I'll be back in a bit once I get them doubles, dude. Peace. Oops. Alright, yo. We sort of made it. Or almost have made it. Shut up, lady. This flipping garbage truck is driving me crazy, man. You get a lot of super slow moving vehicles the last like 4 miles of that journey to here because of the flipping dump. The dump, you get a lot of dummies with garbage flowing out the back. We had it wasn't this guy, but somebody I couldn't see was throwing like insulation everywhere. Like building insulation. That fluffy crap. Fiberglass insulation. You know what I'm talking about. Woo, buddy. So, yuck, right? I gotta flip and pee, dude. I'm gonna have to get up in here. I'm gonna have to take a pee before we break these turds apart. I gotta go. It did take a minute to get. Hey, slow down, dummy. Look at it.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Dude, I hate everyone today. It's awesome how much disdain I have in my flipping heart for everybody today. It is a anger floweth, dude. There we go. Gonna smooch on around that corner, just like so. There we go, buddy.
6127
you know it.
Drive on the left.
6120. Gee whiz, buddy. Alright. This right here for now. Scooch on through here and throw this flipping window down. So I've got squeaky brakes, bro. Come on. There we go. Look. Man, some of these dudes got like super long arms. I absolutely cannot reach the keypad here without unbuckling my seatbelt. Well, that dude did it. That was bigger than I was thinking Michael. Come on. There we go. Alright. Always wave and be polite. Yikes. Alright, guys. Scooch on over here. Break these turrets apart, bro. In a. Well, we'll do it right here. There we go. Right like this. As though dummy dumb gets out of the way. Get out of the way, dummy dumb. What's he all flipping his hands around for? Stupid. That's awesome. Get our handy pin puller. You know what I mean? So I can be pulling them pins. You know how it is. Gotta do it. It's much easier with this device. Yeah, nice. Alright. Pop that dude. Come on. Come on. Hang on. Got a rough one. Come on now. I think it's being a flipping turd, isn't it? There's that. Now we'll hit that button. Pop this crap off. Come on. There you go, boy. Be nice. And put this stuff up for folks, right? Pop this guy out. This guy off. This crap up here. We got some sassy new fittings on this one, didn't we? Alright. 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 Ow. That hurt. That's awesome. Come on now. Jeez Louise, buddy. Oh, it's backward. Is it one of those dumb ones? No, come on, you gotta be smarter than the... What are we doing here? There you go. That was a struggle. That was awesome. See, Michael's being a turd, wasn't he? God, I got a flipping key, dude. Honestly. It's awful. Ugh. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Can't forget this, buddy. Can't forget my sweat jacket and my hat. All right, so there's that. This dummy over there. Get out of the way. Flipping Michael's all out of sorts, dude. All right. Oh, that's good. Pull forward. Get that dolly out from underneath. There we go, right? Reset them. Let's go detach the dolly, brother. It's the name of the game. It is the name of the game, bro. All right. This guy off. This guy off. And a little bit. Good one. Something is right there. There we go, buddy. How about that? All right. And we pull this guy forward. Still can't figure out what that old yard driver was all spazzing out about. Throwing his arms up in the air. What do you want people to do? Maybe he wasn't doing it to those truck drivers. Maybe he was, who knows? Maybe he has some sort of condition I'm unaware of, or something else really made him mad. I don't know. Who knows? Let's see if Michael sees people freaking out. I take that stuff personally. It's like, man, it ain't got nothing to do with you, buddy. Childhood trauma, yo. That's what that stuff's all about. Always thinking you've done something wrong. Yikes. That happens. That happens to folks. I'm an old man still dealing with it. That's hilarious. Come on, you old weebly wobbler. There you go. Alright, let's go around and get that, spin on around and get that dolly. What do you say? Man. Alright. Put our safety back on. There you go. There we go. Come on. Here we go. Excellent. Alright. I don't think anybody's coming. That dude over there slow as molasses, buddy. What is he doing? Maybe he went and took himself a potty. You never know. Might have been. Woo, buddy. He's having himself a beverage. He's like, this day straight took it out of me. I need to replenish my fluids. Alright. It's hard out there, buddy. It is. Today was kind of taxing for how, for a straight up and straight back day, dude. I hate the rush hour, dude. It really sucks when you do not want to be, dealing with it, you know what I'm saying? It's a turd. Alright. Last hurdle here. And get this guy on. With minimal problems, we'll be doing good. Come on, Rick. Get up in there. There you go. Excellent. Go ahead and put these clips on so the yard drivers don't spaz out. I need to use a different word. It's not really I should just say freak out. Because they do too. I don't know why they don't I don't know why they don't get more upset at Uh-oh, butt crack. It's the butt crack show. We've got all denim on. Except covering his big giant ass crack, dude. Pants are a little small, buddy. Ugh. Gross. Woo, buddy. I'm gonna go for this old dolly pit. Well, Super Baby Michael was all worried there weren't gonna be no dollies. And look, I got a fresh load, buddy. Gross. Come on, guys. Watch, he's gonna get this particular one, right? Come on, man. Yep. Yep. It is so wild, man. Good Lord, brother. What are we all doing here? I don't know. You would think maybe they could, I don't know, instead of sitting around, maybe. I don't know, move some of these around. You know what I mean? Instead of that, we're having a big old meeting of the flipping minds over there. It's like, dude, you know what I'm saying? Like, maybe we could get up in here, make this dolly pit a little more navigable, dude. Why would we do that, dude? You know what I mean? Why on earth would we do that? You know what I mean? Why would we do that? Well, help some people out with that anyway. There we go, right there, buddy. Good Lord. Well, I'll do my part. I'll try to anyway. That ain't perfect, but you know what? I ain't that worried about it. Where's this semi going? Awesome. Who knows, brother? All right. Come on. There we go. Nice and just brake. There you go. All right, guys. That's pretty successful. Pretty successful day. Broke our set of empties apart. That's it. Let's go run this turd through the wash. Yikes! We're gonna be good to go, man. Somebody broke some glass. We don't want to run over that, although it'll probably be okay. It's a meeting, buddy. As I've said, meeting of the minds, bruh. What's this guy over here doing? This is exciting on the yard today, man. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Get yourself a get out of the way t-shirt, and we'll do this here again real soon, Sweet Baby Michael style. Peace.